Hey, this is Bob Trade Genius, the 18th of December, and I'm going to show you guys some interesting charts. And so today was a continuation of yesterday. There's just no interest in holding positions. They're just constantly selling out. And look at the 10-year here. This thing is about ready to just dump. And the relative strength is still easily downtrending, and so nothing's oversold in this regard. So something to bear in mind. Another thing that I pulled up was I thought was interesting is that I did a ratio between XME and GDX, and you could just see the the what I would call the industrial commodities have just simply fell out of bed. I think this is an indictment on China, indictment on the, I would say mostly China. And so there's just no interest in the industrial metals, but also we had strength in the precious metals. So really fascinating to see. I mean, these are weekly charts, by the way. So almost rewinding all the way back to 2017. And like I said, you got to keep it on 2016 here. I think this one, everything is going to get unwound too at some point. And I think the precious metals are going to be a great benefactor to this move down. And then my AG is doing nicely here. You can't see it here. It's a weekly. Let me pull up here now. Get back to the 4-hour. But we're getting some nice lift now on AG. I haven't updated this, and so finally getting some move. It's breaking out of the channel now, and on my other chart I have here for AG, I'll get back to FXY here in a second. I'm getting a little worried that now it broke the channel here. See if it's going to come back and test and move back higher, but it's just kind of completing a pretty complicated W pattern here, just getting back to where it was in November, and I'm still looking for this area here, and then I'm looking for this thing to go double digits. So First Majestic's a great stock to own. ABX is doing good. Okay, it's consolidating a little bit after a move, but it's firmly in the channel, popping again, bull flagging again here. PAAS doing great. Keeps grinding higher too. Gap is filled now, and that's ancient history. Goro doing well too. Once it breaks over this 450 area, then I think it could get back up here to 6. Our average price is 434, and like I said, just hold this bad boy. It's going to do really well. And then I was showing you FXY here. I had it open to start, but this is the one. I think this was been the precious metals suppression device. The yen pair, and FXY is kind of like its inverse. And so if you get FXY here to pop and have the yen pair break down, this is bad news for risk taking, good news for risk averting. And I think that's another reason why the cryptos are starting to get some motion too. So you're starting to see the 10-year fail. You're starting to see the dollar struggle. You're seeing the yen pair struggle. Okay, the stock market's struggling. They're pulling in their short positions. That's why the correlation's breaking. So I think this is going to be an interesting couple months. I'm firmly in the camp that I'll go back to the weekly here, and I'll go to SPY. I'm firmly in the camp that we're going to rewind this thing back to 2016. Everything's so darn controlled too. These moves here. I'm expecting a bounce, by the way, a little bit of relief rally coming out of the Fed thing. But if we don't get it, then it's really going to be interesting. So I got some calls on just for a little lotto action, and we'll see if it pays off. And But if not, we're going to drop all the way down from this 255 to get down this 253 area, then 231. But we're going to unwind this move. This was an incredibly artificial move by central banks, coupled with algos, coupled with politically sympathetic hedge funds and wealthy people or entities. I'm still in the camp. This was the Hillary coronation run, and then this thing started just getting out of bed, and so we're pretty much running the move here. This bear flag down, and I'm looking for a bounce up. I doubt it's going to get this high, but don't be surprised if it does, and then it comes back down hard again because there's just no there. So it's going to be really, really interesting. So like I said, we've been long precious metals and we've been long cryptos, and this is where we're staying. And every time I took a shot now with uranium and with FCX, we just been getting stopped out. And so that's just telling me that the risk off trade is what's paying right now. And another nice move, like I said, in the cryptos too. But hey, if you want to trade with us, come on board. We love our algorithm, and we're helping people make money every day in the market. We had a great day again today. And just go to tradelikeagenius.com. Check out Special One. You get access to the software. You get the chat rooms. You get the signals. And it's just a really good place. Good people. We're no Lambo Larrys here. We're all about grinding it out and helping people make money. We do a lot of education in the chat rooms to help people, understand how to trade, what to do, and hopefully get people on the right path. We trade futures in there. We're trading options more now. We kill it on Nadex, which is the binary options, and the cryptos are treating us well, even though the cryptos are still officially in a downtrend. We're just getting some nice counter trend rallies that we're able to profit from. So check us out, and tomorrow should be a very interesting day, and I'll be back after the Fed makes their announcement, and we'll just see where this goes. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.